Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your document templates. To get started, go to the gear wheel icon in the upper right corner and select the section titled My Templates under the Document Templates section. Now, if you want to learn how to create these document templates to begin with, that's in another video titled How to Create a Document Template on TenantCloud. In that video, we created a document template titled Test Title 1. And this was a late rent or outstanding rent notice that we were going to send to our tenants. As you can see here, there are autofill element tags already pulled in, as well as signature, initial, and date boxes. And we can edit that by going to the Actions button in the upper right corner and select Edit Template. From here, we can make the edits that we want to make and then save the document. We'll get started right now. All right, we have made all of the necessary edits to this tenant notice. You'll see here that we added in these autofill element tags, which will autofill the rent due date, the daily rent late fee, as well as the one-time rent late fee, as well as the total outstanding balance. Once we're happy with the edits that we've made, simply scroll down and select Update. Congratulations, you have updated the document template. And that is how easy it is to edit your document templates on TenantCloud. To get started today, go to tenantcloud.com and click sign up and start your free trial today.